Raccoon is out there eating a cat food. I know it's not real clear because I'm recording through a glass door. Excuse the mess. Been doing some work at my mom's and getting the garbage out, and the kids took their leftover dishes from Long John Silver's and gave to the cats, so that's what those containers are out there. Pretty, ain't it? It's the closest I've ever been to a raccoon. I know they can be mean, but they sure are pretty. Yeah, he was out the other day. We went to walk out here and he was sitting on the porch. Of course, he took off running.
We're not sure what he's doing right now.
He's eating cat food.
It's our cat food. It's the boy. The baby, if you don't know, my cat had a baby not long ago. It's like 7 weeks old right now.
The one at my mom's house.
Yeah, at my grandma's house and my grandpa's house. Mama and Papa, that's what we call. I'm holding my dog right now.
It's sure pretty, but yeah, I'd be afraid of him or her or whatever. I don't know how to tell a difference in them as far as if there's a way to tell just from like some animals. Some animals you can tell by color, the coloring on their fur stuff. I don't know that that's the case with raccoons.